Hey guys, so another part of this video I'm going to be showing you is I got tie rod ends. Little Volkswagen Golf R, thought he was funny. Anyway, so got the tie rod ends, lower control arms. So these are GT500 spec. I have the steering rack that I'm hoping will work for this replacement, seeing as the original one from Ford was back ordered. So got the steering rack, got the lower control arms, got the tie rod ends for the end of the steering rack, and hopefully that's going to make this replacement much smoother. So keep watching for the updates, and we'll see you guys later. Alrighty guys, we officially have the power steering issue fixed. We're gonna look right now. Got the new lower control arms in. Good to go. No leaks, no drips. Good stuff. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. The gauges are working and everything's good. Won't you be my neighbor? Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.